Hey there, my name is Aaron, and I have food. And today it's an easy recipe for white cream sauce pasta. On to the ingredients. We're using a dried pasta, penne for today. You're also going to need some shallots, some heavy whipping cream, Parmigiano Reggiano, commonly known as Parmesan cheese, some garlic salt, and of course, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. First thing you want to do is heat up your favorite stainless steel pan on a medium heat. Next, you give the shallots a fine chop. This will be the base for the sauce. And I still have plenty left over for the New York strip video. Make sure to check that out. And while you're doing that, there should be a small pot of water on the heat, ready for a rolling boil. And as for any pasta dish, you should definitely salt the water. Then we're going to pour in our penne pasta. Give them a quick stir so they don't stick to themselves. Now into your heated pan, pour in some olive oil, which I forgot to mention earlier. But at this point, olive oil should be in everybody's cupboard, I think. When that's good and heated up, pour in your shallots. Make sure to stir them pretty well because you don't want them to burn. You want them to get a nice toasty brown. And once they get to that toasty brown, pour in half a cup of heavy cream. And after 30 seconds, give some grounds of black pepper in there. Then a few shakes of that garlic salt. The benefit of using garlic salt is it has ground garlic mixed in with salt, obviously, and not just garlic by itself. So it's definitely 2 times the flavor. Give it a good stir, and after a few minutes, just start coming up to a soft boil. When that happens, you can pour in your Parmesan cheese, and I use about 3 or 4 tablespoons here. Give it another quick stir, and let the boil continue. You should see some pretty good bubbles here. Continue stirring some more, and at some point, the sauce will be a good thick consistency where you should be able to drag the spoon to the pan and see the metal underneath. Pretty much has a gravy consistency. Go ahead and turn off the pan at this point, and you can start pouring in the penne. Use a slotted spoon like this one to slowly pour them in if you're afraid of the hot water. And remember, just like the pasta and tomato sauce video, you do not want to rinse the pasta because all the starches and the salt from the water just adds a whole lot more flavor. You can go ahead and pour in the whole pot, give it a good mix, and you'll see the starches in the water binding with the sauce, and you're ready to eat. Now for something like penne pasta, I like to use a bowl instead of a plate. And go ahead and give it some fresh ground black pepper on top again. And a little bit more Parmesan cheese, why not? And with that, this dish is complete. Very easy, very tasty, something that can be made very fast on a lunch break, for example. And of course, this would go great with some chicken or beef mixed in as well. This has turned into one of my favorite pasta dishes to make at home, and I hope you guys make it at home as well. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and look out for a video every week. Thank you.